What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3DPrintSOS. Welcome to the channel. Here on this channel, we mostly focus on beginner-based 3D printers, 3D print projects, and 3D print products. Hopefully along the way, I will showcase how you can calibrate, how to set up your machines, how to upgrade your machines, and how to generally get started 3D printing if you're new to the hobby. Or if you're looking for your second or third machine, this is going to be the place because I will be showcasing those type of machines that are perfect for you to get started with your first, second, or third type of machine. Even some things that have lasers attached, which, you know, lasers, magnets, super fun. I also have things like upgrades for a bunch of the VoxLab style machines and Ender style machines. I also have a brand new filament to check out. So 2022 is going to be a really fun year, and I have lots planned for this channel. Definitely check out the Discord. It is totally free and it is an awesome chat platform where you can get help if you have one of these machines and you're having some trouble, or you just want to showcase your 3D prints or talk with like-minded people. That is definitely the place to go. There's also a Patreon set up for this channel. If you would like to support me outside of just subscribing to the channel, Patreon is the way to go. You'll also get cool incentives like the Discord benefits and also getting to see the videos first. I also ask questions if I need some help guiding which videos you guys would like to see on the channel. That's the place I go to first. So thank you guys for awesome 2021, and I look really forward to showcasing everything that I have planned for 2022. All right, as always, I'll see you on the comments. Later.